Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Masha, the character from Masha and the Bear. So get your marker and let's begin to draw. First up, we're going to draw one big round eye. There we go. And we're going to draw another eye right here. That's perfect. And now we're just going to draw a little line below to complete the eye, and on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. And then we're going to make some light reflections. That's right. Good. And on this side we can make another light reflection. There we go. And let's color it in and be careful not to cross the lines. And there we go. And now for the little nose. So we're going to draw a small nose right between the eyes like this. Great. And then from there we're going to draw a big smile like this. There we go. There's a big smile. And we're going to make her mouth a little bit open like so. Perfect. And we can maybe draw a little cheek there and another cheek. That's perfect. And Masha has two teeth in front and then teeth below as well. Perfect. And now from here we're going to actually draw the chin, a little chin like that, and then we're going to draw the face, and you're just going to take it around like this, and from here you're going to do the same thing like that. That's absolutely perfect. And let's draw some eyebrows. So we're just going to draw a little eyebrow right there on top, and we're going to draw another one here as well. Perfect. And now what we can do, we can actually draw her hairline. So from here I want you to actually draw hair and make it like this about. Okay, wonderful. There we go. And just like this, some curvature there. Perfect. And then right on top here we're going to draw a little line, and you're going to go like this, and you're going to connect it to the face. Perfect. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing, and you're going to do this, and you're going to connect it to her face. Great, you with me? Perfect. And now we're going to draw a little square like that, and then you're going to draw another triangle like that. Good. And now you're going to follow me. You're just going to make a little line like this, like so, and just bring it back. And then we just make a little, almost like a leaf. Great. And then from the other side you're going to draw a line like so, and you're going to go back, and you're going to do this. Good. And we draw another line like this. That's absolutely perfect. And now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to start with the body. So I want you to actually draw a line down like this. You with me? And you're going to bring it down, bring it back like this, and then you're going to do this, make a little square, and you're going to go all the way around like that. That's absolutely perfect. And now from here I want you to actually make a line like so. Good. And then you're gonna just draw a little line down like this, and here you're going to draw a line in, and then you're going to draw another line out like this, and you're going to stop right there. Perfect. We're going to make it round like so, and we'll continue with it a bit later. And next up I want you just to complete this like so. Perfect. And now I want you to draw the other arm. We're going to stop there like this, and you're going to bring it out like so, like that, and you're just going to connect it like that. That's absolutely perfect. And we're going to make a little line like this, and now I want you to draw a hand. First finger. Perfect. A finger, and you're just going to draw a line like this, another finger, another finger, and a little pinky, and you're gonna connect it like that. That's absolutely perfect. And then from here I want you to make 2 lines like this and bring it around. And then we're going to draw the other hand. So you're going to draw a little thumb like this. Perfect. And you're going to draw a finger and you're going to do this. Good. Another finger, and a last finger, and you're going to complete it like that. And there's the 2 hands. Perfect. And now from here we're going to draw a dress. So I want you to go out like this, go all the way around, follow me, and you're going to bring it up like this, a dress. And then from here you're just gonna do this. That's absolutely perfect. And I want you to draw a line like this and go up like that. And there's her dress. Next up, I want us to draw her top of her hat, or whatever we call it. So we're just gonna go like so, like that, and you're gonna go back like this. Perfect. And then we're gonna just draw a little line down like that. And on this side I want you actually to draw just a little thin line all the way around like this. And there we go. That's absolutely perfect. And then from here I want you to draw a shoe. So you're going to draw a line out like this, and you're going to just bring a line back straight like this. Good. And you're going to do something like this. Go up, over again. Perfect. And we're going to just complete that. And then for the other shoe, like this. You with me? Continue with it and go up like that. And then right here we're just going to draw a little more back like so, and there one as well. There we go. And there's Masha. First of all, we make her hair, finish her hair, and we can draw the side of her face like this. And you're going to draw a few lines up. Perfect. I think that she looks perfect. What do you think? And of course we can draw just a few lines where she stands upon the ground. Great. And that's Masha. The next thing you can do is take your markers and you can color her in the colors you like. And I'm sure she's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time.